In this session, we are going to learn about custom or user-defined functions in Unity C Sharp. So what are custom functions in Unity C Sharp? A function basically is a block of code used to execute a single action or a task. It provides extensibility to the gaming application along with reusability of the code and saves time for rewriting the code. A function in Unity has following components: function name, return type, body, access specifier, and parameters. Syntax for a basic function in Unity C Sharp is as follows. First, we specify access specifier, which is followed by the return type, then the name of the function, followed by brackets and curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we provide the block of code or the function body. Let's see one by one what is function name, what is return type, what is body, what is access specifier, and what is parameters in a function. Function name. Function name is a name given to the function. Okay, then we have return type. Return type specifies what data type a function would return as a value. Then we have body. Body has a block of code to be executed inside the function. This body or the block of code will be inside the function basically. Then we have access specifier. Access specifier specifies accessibility of a function within the application. Parameters. Parameters is the arguments passed in a function. This is an optional component. Now a function can be a basic function or a function with a return type or a function with parameters. Basic function is basically a simple function with a block of code to be executed inside it. Function with return type specifies the data type of the value returned from a function. In simple words, it specifies the type of output. If the output type is number, then the return type can be int, float, double, etc. Function with parameters. Parameters is basically the information passed to the function. These parameters act as a variable with a data type. So these are variables basically with a data type. So this data type could be int or a string, etc. They are passed after declaring name of the function inside the bracket. So you specify the name for the function and the name of the function is followed by the brackets basically. Okay. Inside these brackets, you declare these parameters. Now there is no restriction to the number of parameters which you can pass to the function, but every parameter has to be separated using a comma. So you can pass multiple parameters, but every parameter has to be separated by a comma. We are going to see an example to write a simple function in Unity. So to write a simple function, we have already created an empty game object, and the name of the empty game object is simple function here. And we have also created a script, and the name of the script is simple function. We have also attached the script to the empty game object simple function. Let's open the script here and let's write a piece of code. To declare a function, we need to specify an access modifier for the function. So let's use private here. Private simply means that this function will not be accessible outside of the class or outside of this particular script. The access modifier in a function is followed by a return type. In this case, it is void because this particular function will not return anything. Okay, then we need to specify the name of the function. Let's put my function. This name could be of your choice. It could be anything. We have just put the name as my function here. Okay, and then we have curly braces, and inside the curly braces we'll write the piece of code to be executed inside the function. So in this case, let's print something in the Unity console with the help of debug.log function. This is a simple function in Unity. Okay. how do we run the function? Just pass the name of the function, which is my function in our case, inside the start function here. My function. Okay, let's save the script. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here is the output. This is a simple function in Unity. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next session.